Hi, this is Alfred Brock with CNC News Co. And we're going to be talking about choosing earth-friendly landscaping. And why would you want to do that, huh? The photograph we see here is we see a nice woman. Here's the nice lady. She's spraying her beautiful flower bush here. Might be a rose bush. Beautiful bush with some insecticide or herbicide, fungicide, some kind of a poison, some kind of a liquid poison she's spraying on here. And look, she's actually standing on a fresh water. She's standing on water. And that's the idea. When you spray here, this is where it all ends up in our water supply. So remember, you're not just getting rid of weeds and pests when you're spraying this material. There's lots of other things going on. So you have the opportunity to choose earth-friendly landscaping. Did you know that you can protect your kids, local kids, everybody in the neighborhood, pets, and the environment from the harmful effects of herbicides and pesticides, which are poisons, by choosing earth-friendly landscaping in the first place? The chemicals in herbicides and pesticides pollute our waterways when they're washed from lawns and gardens and down roads and streets into the storm drains and roadside ditches. Storm drains lead directly to lakes and rivers and down through the roadside ditches. It takes a while, but those chemicals, many of them do not break down, and they make it in full force into the general water supply. Now, what can you do as an individual? Follow the tips on the back of the card, which you're going to be reading in just a moment. And these are simple ways that you can help keep the water clean. So let's see on the back now. Oh, there she is. There she is riding a bicycle. So let's learn what's going on back here. So choose earth-friendly landscaping. Go native, for example. Select plants native to Michigan in this case, and by you, plants that are native to your area. They're better able to tolerate the local climate, and they thrive in them. They require less fertilizer and water and are more disease resistant. And variety is the spice of life anyway, right? Use a wide variety of plants to help control pests and minimize the need for pesticides. And by variety, using a wide variety of plants, many people have a carpet of grass. That's what you call a carpet of grass. That's it. That's one species. That's all you get. And that creates one runoff, etc., and requires a lot of herbicides and pesticides. So having various plants planted will help you out. How about some light, frequent watering? The amount of water is based on the desired look and use for your lawn. And if you water, consider light, frequent watering. Cool the grass with shorter periods of light water during the hotter parts of the day. You can also use mulch. Place a thick layer of mulch about 4 inches around trees and plants, and this helps retain water and reduce weeds while minimizing the needs for pesticides. Many of these bugs will not shelter in that material. The heat will get to them, the coolness, the moisture. They need specific areas to breed in, and sometimes that specific area happens to be your lawn. But if you use mulch around the areas that you have, you're all good to go. You can mow high and return the clippings. Make your lawn care cheaper and easier by mowing. Pick up 3 inches and leave the clippings for nutrients. Don't take them away. Don't take them away. A tall lawn promotes root growth and shades out weeds. If you let it grow high enough, it also creates ozone, but that's another issue. Now, you can also rake it and leave it, right? Follow your community's leaf pickup guidelines, of course, and avoid raking leaves into storm drains or roadside ditches. And try mowing the leaves into the lawn. They make a good fertilizer. You can also gather them up and place them in your garden and other areas of your yard. And then, of course, if it comes down to getting these poisons, these plant poisons, the herbicides, or the insect poisons, the insecticides, a healthy lawn really needs less pesticide. Proper lawn practices can help hold soil and pollutants in place, minimizing the need for pesticides, right? So these pesticides last a long time, these herbicides last a long time. If they don't run off your property, they're going to stay there and they're going to continue to be active. If you do use them, spot treat problem areas with ready-to-use products and buy the smallest amount to get the job done. You do not need to carpet everything. You don't need to spread it everywhere. Just spot check it. If we take a look at the distribution of insects and fungus and all sorts of problems and diseases in a lawn or in a field, in agriculture, you'll see that they occur in patches. And if you take care of the patch, you don't have to worry about the larger areas. Now, if you don't take care of the patch earlier on, then you're going to have these general applications. But if you put the general application on first, you're spending too much, doing too much, and creating a problem for yourself and for our environment. Thank you very much.